Determine how many walls will be needed for the drive-over sections of the containment. An understate clip will be installed in half of these walls. Lay a wall upside down with the male end on the right-hand side. Insert the clip into the pocket just to the right of the circle in the center. Unroll and lay out protective geofabric that is cut slightly larger than the containment dimensions. Starting with a drive-over section, put the first inside corner and outside corner into place. Note, even though it may appear as if they do, the inside corner and outside corner do not connect together with their male and female ends. Connect the walls with understate clips attached, starting at the inside corner. Ensure that the understate clips are on the outside of the containment. Note, do not begin installing the stakes on the drive-over section until all 4 sides of the containment have been deployed and are squared. Place second inside and outside corners. Place the rest of the non-drive-over sections of the containment by connecting the walls to the outside corners already installed. Optional. If it is preferred and there are enough walls and understate clips available, the non-drive-over sections of the containment can be installed in the same way as the drive-over sections. This will secure the liner down without the need of any liner clips. If this method is preferred, repeat steps 4 and 5 for the non-drive-over sections of the containment. If there are additional drive-over sections of the containment, begin installing them now by repeating steps 4 and 5. Temporarily set outside drive-over walls in place at this time. This will ensure that the entire containment is squared. Check that all other walls are connected. Remove the outside drive-over walls, exposing the understate clips. Using the muscle wall stake setting tool, set a stake through the understate clip and into the ground for every wall in the drive-over sections of the containment. Unroll and lay out the liner. Either trim or tuck the excess liner under the non-drive-over sections of the containment. On every other wall, insert the bottom of a liner clip under the wall. Rotate the clip 90 degrees. Then stretch the clip over the back of the wall. Small cuts will need to be made in the liner anywhere an understate clip is attached. Locate the vertical tab that is under the liner. Push the liner tight against the back of the wall to reduce liner tenting. Make a small slit in the liner just large enough for the vertical tab to poke through. Note, it may be necessary to cut a small slit for the stake to poke through as well. For each corner of the containment that is connected to a drive-over section, cut a small slit in the liner so the male and female connections can be made. Set the outside drive-over walls in place, over top of the liner and the vertical tab of the understate clip. For help with repalletizing, watch our palletizing 6-inch muscle wall instructional video.